Welcome back to my channel. Happy me, Venu. So today's vlog is on Kunur, Kotagiri and Ooty. So ikkadi nunche start chestunam ani kaadu. So I have covered my journey, so far from Mettupalayam to here. So I'm going to share the places that you can visit once you come to Kunur and how you can plan your journey, how you can enjoy the trip. Everything I'm going to cover here and the places where you can dine, everything. So yeah, join me throughout the vlog. Just watch it, enjoy, and if you like it, don't forget to share. If you have not subscribed, do subscribe and click bell icon. See you all. I think this is my 5th visit in 2 years time. So frequently we travel to Ooty. I travel to Ooty with different people. So now if you see this bike people, this bike, hey hello, what is this? How you driving in front of us? Huh?
You need to change the
So they came all the way from Hyderabad, so today I am taking them. I thought along with them I also take you. So this is the train route to Kunur and Ooty. Yeah, if at all you are coming far away from somewhere and you want to go Ooty, definitely I advise you to opt train. At least one way. Maybe you will enjoy the caves, the view. Awesome it will be. Try that. But make sure that you book prior in IRCTC. Yes. So here we start. Here we start. Here we start. Here we start. The Ghat Road. కోతి చేష్టలు మాత్రం బాగా అప్పుడప్పుడు మనం కూడా అలాగే చేస్తుంటాం. Comparatively like Kodaikanal and Ooty roads are little wider, whereas Kodaikanal roads are bit narrow I feel, and they are steep also. Photos baga vastayi, but people will also scold us here. So never do that. Please do not interrupt the traffic with your craziness about the photos. Yeah. For this ride, although it is 5th time for me, for my Vespa it is first ride. Do you know that, Jishnu? as I heard, I mean, few years back it was not Ooty is not commercialized, but if you see human traffic as well as the vehicles have increased in Ooty, which eventually increases the pollution and loses the beauty of its originality. That's what happening. So if at all you're planning to visit, as soon as possible you visit Ooty. Otherwise you will see Ooty but not the authentic one. Yeah? Kodaikanal is more commercialized, as I experienced. So I felt Kodaikanal is much commercialized. దీంతో తినకన్నా చేత్తో తినడం బెటర్. సో వీఆర్ ఎట్ డాల్ఫిన్ నోస్ కరెంట్లీ.
He from foreign and he can
From-
eat only like that.
Yeah, you can zoom him.
Hero with the bait in hand.
So these two people have come from Hyderabad all the way, not to see me but to see Ooty.
ఇప్పుడు తెలివితేట ప్రదర్శించు. ఇంకా నోట్స్ చూడలేదు. చూసిన తర్వాత నోట్స్.
It's good.
నోట్స్ కాదు తీయాల్సింది.
You must try this. What is this? Belpuri. Dolphin Nose. After reaching to Kunnur, we came directly to Dolphin Nose. It is 10 kilometers away from Kunnur main city. Let's see. Let's go inside and see how it looks. I know how it looks, but
వేసుకుందాం నెక్స్ట్.
I know how it looks, but you guys can witness it.
అయిపోయాడు.
iPad.
నడిచినంతసేపు
Catherine Falls. లాస్ట్ టైం మేము వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ అన్ని బైసన్సే కూర్చొని లైన్లో కూర్చొని మంచిగా తింటూ
దాన్ని చూసాను అంత.
విట్నెస్ యువర్ క్యాథరిన్ ఫాల్స్.
క్యాథరిన్ ఇది
అందులోనే ఉంది చూడు, సరిగ్గా చూసి కనిపిస్తుంది. బాగుంది కదా. నేను ఏమైనా చెప్తానని ఎదురు చూస్తున్నారా? దాని గురించి ఏం తెలుసు అని చెప్పాలి నేను. అదొక ఫాల్, అది క్యాథరిన్ ఫాల్. మనకి దారిలో వచ్చిన చిన్న చిన్న ఫాల్స్ అన్నీ కూడా దీని నుంచి వచ్చినవే. ఇది మెయిన్. లాస్ట్ టైం వి వెంట్ యాక్చువల్లీ, అప్పుడు మొత్తం ఫాగ్. అక్కడికి వెళ్ళాము. ఓ హౌ క్యూట్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్. బట్ వీఆర్ నాట్ సపోజ్ టు గివ్ దెమ్ ఎనీ సచ్ edibles. They get used to it. We should not.